In this program, we have to find the factorial of a number which will be inputted by the user. So first in this, we'll take the data type int and num and answer as the variables, and then we'll take the input from the user of number and ask him as well to input the number as well. Input the number to find the factorial. So the user will read it and input his or her number, desired number. So after inputting the number, I'll set here answer equal to 1, which will understand subsequently. Now let's make an if statement. If num is positive, greater than equal to 1, just suppose take this as the condition right now. Then we'll introduce a for loop for iterations. Int of I equals to 1 and set up a constraint of I which is less than equal to num and which will be iterated by 1 after each iteration. And in this for loop, we'll write one more statement, which is the calculation of answer, which will be answer equals answer times I. And then we'll print the answer saying that this is the factorial. This is the factorial, that's it, or is the factorial, so that looks more better. Now another condition comes that if number is equal to 0, if we put 0 here, that would mean 0 factorial, and we know that 0 factorial is equal to 1, so I have to write that condition as well, which will be written just after this if block in else if block. Num equal to 0, which will be cout answer. That's it, as we have set it answer as 1, so therefore the answer will be equal to 1 when 0 factorial is being asked. And the final else statement, which will be of course for the negative numbers. Here we'll write cout factorial of negative numbers do not exist. So that completes the program. Let's try by running it and saving it as well. First save and then run. So it says there is a problem here. Let me check it. So the error was lying here, that there was no space here. I forgot to put the space. Now it's fine. I think that should serve the purpose. Let's save it and run it. Really, yeah, so it's asking to put the, let me clean it. Alright, so let's put 5. Suppose the answer should come as it has 120. It says oh, okay, so this cout was not supposed to be here. It should have been here outside of the for loop, otherwise after each iteration the answer would be printed. So it's been printed here like that, which is not desired for bias, right? Let's save it and run it again. Let's put 5 again. Yeah, there we go. It comes 120 as factorial. Let's run it again. Let's check all the cases one by one. Let's put num equals to 0 this time. Yeah, 1 is coming out to be the answer. And what if we put negative number here? Minus 5 suppose, or minus 3 suppose. Factorial of a negative number, of negative numbers do not exist. That's what we desired. And that was it, the program for finding the factorial of a number.